Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you probably use your phone for almost everything. Storing photos, videos, documents, downloads, and, well, let's be honest, a lot of random files you probably forgot you even had. And if you've ever struggled to find or organize those files, today's video is for you. In 2025, file manager apps are smarter, faster, and more feature-packed than ever. So I've put together a list of 12 file manager apps you absolutely need to try this year. Whether you want something lightweight and simple or a full-featured power tool, let's jump right in. 1. Material File App. The Modern Minimalist. Material File App is clean, fast, and completely free. It uses Google's Material algorithm. You design, meaning it blends seamlessly with your Android theme. You get the basics like copy, move, delete, rename, and search, but also support for cloud storage, archives, and even root access for advanced users. It's perfect if you want a beautiful file manager without unnecessary clutter. Number 2. Simple File Manager Apps. Lightweight and ad-free. This is for those who hate ads. Simple File Manager is open source, private, and incredibly fast. It's great for older phones or anyone who values speed and simplicity. You can customize the theme, manage files offline, and even password protect sensitive folders. 3. Solid Explorer File Manager. The power user's dream. Solid Explorer is one of the most feature-rich file managers out there. Think of it as the pro edition of file browsing. You get dual-pane navigation, cloud integration, file encryption, network file sharing, and beautiful customization options. If you manage a lot of files daily, especially across different storage locations, Solid Explorer is a must-have. Number 4. Anexplorer. Small but mighty. Anexplorer is lightweight but still manages to pack in features like multi-tab browsing, root support, and media preview. It's designed for quick access and efficiency, making it ideal if you don't want a heavy app slowing down your phone. Number 5. BD File Manager. The Secure Organizer. BD File Manager puts a big emphasis on privacy and file security. You can lock folders, hide files, and encrypt important data. It's also great for organizing large storage spaces with clear folder size indicators so you can see what's taking up space. 6. Explorer Manager App. Unique Dual Panel View. Explorer is famous for its split-screen dual-panel layout. This makes moving files between folders or storage devices incredibly easy. It also supports cloud storage, FTP, and even app management, all from within the same interface. 7. File Manager Plus. Feature-rich and user-friendly. File Manager Plus is simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for advanced users. It supports all file types, cloud drives, and local networks. Plus, it has a built-in media player so you can open music and videos without leaving the app. 8. File Explorer Root Browser. For advanced Android users. If you have a rooted phone, this one is for you. Root Browser lets you dig deep into your system files and make advanced changes. It's powerful, but be careful. Deleting or changing the wrong file could mess up your system. Number 9. FX File Explorer. Ad-free with powerful tools. FX File Explorer stands out because it's completely ad-free. It offers multi-window support, cloud storage integration, network file sharing, and a super smooth interface. If you want premium features without paying for a subscription, this is a great pick. 10. CX File Explorer. Fast and visual. CX File Explorer is known for its clean design and easy navigation. It also gives you storage analysis tools so you can quickly see what's using up space. Great for those who like a balance between simplicity and functionality. 11. File Commander. The Cloud Connector. File Commander is a veteran in the file manager world. It connects seamlessly to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and even your PC. It's ideal for people who work across multiple devices and need one hub for all their files. 12. Files by Google. Smart and automatic. We're ending with one of the most popular ones, Files by Google. It's not just a file manager, it also helps you clean junk, free up space, and share files offline using fast Wi-Fi direct. Plus, it's super easy to use, making it great for non-techie users. So there you have it, 12 of the best file manager apps to try in 2025. From minimal designs to powerhouse tools, there's something here for every type of user. Which one's your favorite? Or did I miss an amazing file manager you swear by? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more app recommendations, and I'll see you in the next one.